put your lip gloss on, your lip gloss on, your lip gloss on. Na 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 na. I was hanging at this party when this girl came around. She leaned over to me and kissed me right on the mouth. I was like, oh my God, what is going on? I kissed the girl and I didn't like it. And I'll be waiting around until you're fixing your mouth. Girl, put your lip gloss on, your lip gloss on, your lip gloss on, or I will never kiss you again. So put your lip gloss on.